How do I get a report showing the growth of my email lists over time? LISTSERV Maestro makes it easy to keep track of the growth of your email lists. To access your subscriber lists, open the main menu and click on Subscriber Warehouse. The first thing that you'll see is a snapshot of how your subscribership has changed in the past 24 hours, the past week, and since the beginning when you first created the list. You will also notice 3 tabs. The first tab, labeled Subscribers, produces a searchable and sortable table with all of your subscribers and their profile data. The third tab, labeled Demographics, allows you to get demographic data about your subscribers based on the profile fields that you're using for your list. To get details about the growth of your email list and to identify trends, click on the second tab, labeled Statistics. Here, you will see 2 graphs. The first one outlines the total number of subscribers for your list since its creation. You can hover over the graph and see how your subscriber totals have changed over time. The second graph shows additional details about new subscribers that you have attracted, as well as subscribers that you have lost, either through unsubscribes or bounces. You can use the arrows to go back in time and to identify times of growth and times when you lost subscribers. You can use this day-by-day data and match the dates of significant events with mail jobs that you sent out on that day to learn what works for your specific target audience and what drives people to subscribe and unsubscribe. These reports can all be downloaded in PDF format or as a spreadsheet, making it easy to analyze the data further and to share it with your team. Thank you for watching.